so that I can show someone.
Don't hit the net. It's right here under this thing.
Under it?
It's right here.
Okay.
In between here and there, somewhere in there.
So you think it's at the bottom or the...
No, it's right here under this thing.
So it's probably a lifter?
Yeah. You gotta take this thing off, this thing here.
Take the
All
valve
these
cover.
bolts out. Take these spark plug caps. If you ever do a tune-up on this fucking thing, you gotta take this whole shit off and change the spark plugs. Alright, turn it off.